Hey, we're Gravel. In 2019, we launched the Layover travel blanket here on Kickstarter and ended up shipping to over 5,000 backers all over the world. And with your feedback, we're super excited to share key improvements, what we think is now going to be the best travel companion.
Introducing the Layover XL.
A large insulated puffy travel blanket that packs down smaller than any other blanket. It stows down small, making it easy to get warm on a plane, picnics, or binging Netflix.
Whether at an airport, on a road trip, camping, at a football game, or you just want to take a nap, and having a blanket is a game changer.
Most airlines don't even offer blankets anymore, and if they do, they're cheap, thin, and gross.
This tiny sack houses a blanket that covers your whole body. Keeps your hands warm, snaps together, and your calves toasty. And your naps hassle-free. But let's break it down.
Warmth. Solving these problems meant that we needed to make a comforter-type blanket accessible enough to bring anywhere in the world. Cold drafts on your calves are the worst. So we created a leg pocket with an insulated foot pouch to eliminate those pesky drafts. With a breathable nylon outer shell and an insulated core, it'll take you a step closer to feeling warm and cozy, like your bed at home. Even if you're camping, at a game, or even on a plane, you know a jacket laid over your legs just won't cut it. We also lined the edges with snaps to hold the blanket around your shoulders, allowing you to focus on your nap instead of battling slippery, droopy blankets.
Packability. For the size of the blanket to how small it packs down, this is the best on the market. It allows you to toss the layover into your carry-on, quickly clip it to your backpack, or clip it to a camp chair so it's ready when you are. Honestly, you'll probably forget it's there until you want to use it. We've added this roll-top stuff sack, allowing you to stuff the blanket in, then easily pack it even smaller. Stuffing it is super easy.
Quality materials. Spill-proof coating to prevent wet blankets and stains. And anti-static coating to reduce shocks. And the best part, if you have a pet, the fur doesn't stick. Our nylon insulation, snaps, and zippers are all top of the line. And like your favorite hoodie, we added a microfleece kangaroo pouch to help keep your hands warm.
Organization. On the outside of the hoodie sleeve is a zipper envelope pocket, a perfect place to secure items like your headphones, passport, boarding pass, so it doesn't mysteriously slide under your seat.
Pillow. The envelope pocket is reversible and stuffs into a small microfleece pillow to add comfort on an airplane or a little extra lumbar support on your road trip.
Premium snaps. So what if you're with somebody else? We've lined the edge of each blanket with compatible fasteners, allowing you to expand the blanket indefinitely.
Sizing. It's 54 inches wide and 75 inches long, making it 53% larger than the original layover blanket, comfortably covering any human on Earth.
And this blanket is now available in 6 quality colors.
And to prove to you this quality, we're offering a lifetime warranty. So whether you're relaxing in a park, on a road trip, or traveling the world, the Layover XL is the perfect companion to take anywhere.
Thanks for making it to the end of the video. We love Gravel so much, and none of this would be possible without you.
We've created some pledges down below. Go check them out. There's a bunch of different options. Find the one that's best for you specifically. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. We'll get back to you. Overall, thanks so much for watching. We're pumped on this, and happy travels. Hey friends, we got something real exciting. We're gonna show you a little bit more of this new Layover XL. It's actually right here. Woo! So, this right here is a Layover XL. This right here is the original Layover. What? It's like almost the same size, but this blanket is actually 50% larger, which is wild. Here, let's pull these out real quick. So, Chris and I easily fit under one blanket right now. It's cute. This is the freaking XL. Let's try this same thing with the regular, with the OG. So, that just gives you a decent grasp on how much bigger this new blanket is, but it stuff's like the same freaking size. Within the Kickstarter, there's a couple main options. There's the super early birds, which will only be available the first day and only a couple hundred units. Then after that, there'll be a pledge level that will be delivered by Christmas. Once those run out, then there'll be a spring delivery for the remaining. So if you're super interested, you'll get the best possible deal within the first hour or so with those super early birds. The early bird will be delivered by Christmas, yeah, and then the remaining pledge we'll be in the spring sometime. I've been wanting to cuddle with Chris for a while, so this has worked out great.
It's been a minute.
And yeah, we'll talk to you guys soon. Whoa.